Hello everyone, welcome back to Educating Nexus. So in today's lesson, we will look at the design process of the CENG cover page. So just as you know, the CENG cover page should include the institution's name, that is KNUST, the title of your report, your name, your index number, the course, which is CENG 291, the college, that is College of Engineering, the faculty name, and the department's name. So now let us commence with the design process. Once you insert your image, make sure you select the right layout option. This helps you to easily position and resize your image on the page. So I'm using the top and bottom layout option. This will help me to reposition my image on the page because it separates the image from the text and places the image on a different layer. And I will select fixed position on page. This helps me to keep my image fixed at a particular position on the page, and it prevents the image from moving about with the texts.